Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to show you the ample amount of testing job opportunities that have come up in the market. So please apply to these jobs today itself, and there are a lot of chances that you might get interview calls. Many of the people have been dropping the comments that we are not getting jobs, the calls have reduced, or testing jobs have reduced in the market, but it is not so. Now we are getting some positive news also, right? So there are multiple job opportunities and we will be looking into those in details. So this is the first job opportunity where L&D Infotech Mindtree. So as they both are merged, they are looking for QA, and the technical skills required are Cypress, Postman, MS SQL Server, Selenium, Jira, Confluence. So you should be having hands-on to use Wiki Confluence, right? Then Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, and location is any LTI Mindtree location. So you can walk in with your resume, with your profile to any of the LTI Mindtree locations, and the timings of the walk-ins are 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, mode of working will be hybrid. It will be remote as well as work from office, so that you would come to know when you apply and you get selected. Immediate to 15 days is the notice period. Experience required is 5 to 8 years. And this is the email address, right? Apart from that, there is one more job opportunity for manual testing, in which they are looking for 20 plus testers, right? So 20 plus testers they are looking, and the minimum experience required is 3 plus years. All the skills is required is of manual testing only. So they can also share their resume at this particular email address, preeti.rawat@comnus.in. Then there is one more company, that is Mestec. They are looking for immediate joiner for automation testing position. Location is Pune, Maharashtra, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, all areas. So in all these areas, they are looking for automation testers. And this is how the summary is. They need 8 plus years of experience in functional as well as automation testing, experience of API testing and automation using Karate, REST Assured framework. Then you need to have good hands-on on Postman, Git, Maven, TestNG, SVN, right? So experience with Agile, again, work mode is hybrid, right? And ISTQB foundation level certified should be there. So if you know about ISTQB, recently we have uploaded a video on ISTQB certification also. So you can go through that video. It's a you can give your examination from your home also, right? It's too easy. And this is the email address where you have to share your CV, and also you need to share these other details also: total experience, relevant experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, full-time qualification, current location, okay for Mumbai, yes or no. So these kind of things they are looking. Okay, then there is one more company who is looking for freshers as well as experience. So they are hiring freshers for manual and automation testing for Bangalore location, right? So as a fresher, you should be good in testing. You should be able to report and retest and close the bugs and reopen the bugs. So regression testing, retesting, sharing reports. Then they need freshers to 1 plus years of experience in web. Strong communication skills should be there. The writing skills should be good. They are looking for core manual tester with web experience, right? And this is the email address where you can share your CV, right? So that's a good update again. So multiple job openings have started coming up. This is for experienced and freshers. I know freshers only one job opening was there in this video, but still they've started coming up. So that's a good update. That's a positive update. So you can apply to these particular companies. You can also share your CVs. Also, if you search on LinkedIn, then you will get all these job opportunities, right? Apart from that, if you want to give mock interviews, so please share your CV at this particular email address, that is rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. Apart from this, there is one more channel that we have, that is RD Technical Learning, in which we have started uploading videos on Java interview questions, Python interview questions. So please subscribe that channel also. Also, in order to help people during this time of cost cutting, during this time of recession, we are also posting jobs in that particular channel. So you can subscribe this channel, right? If you haven't subscribed yet, so just search RD Technical Learning and subscribe it right away. This will be helpful for you, and these all content, these all videos, job opportunities would be shared with you free of cost. Even mock interviews are free of cost. We are not charging anything, right? So please take advantage and get a flying start to your career. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.